Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can fix photo mode missing on TikTok. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So what you're going to do right over here is we're simply going to go ahead, open up our TikTok app first. Once we have opened it up, this is how our interface gonna look like. Right now we're gonna go ahead and tap on this option of plus icon where we will be able to find the photo mode. So right over here in this photo option, now if you go to the section of 15 seconds which will be the video, and you can simply switch to photos to access the photo mode. So if you're not being able to access that, that means your app is not updated, because right now in every region the option is available. So what you have to do is you have to go to your app store, go to search bar, and type in the option, the TikTok, right over here, and wait, and you can see my TikTok also needs an update, and this can be regards of other that new features that are available and I'm not being able to access. Same goes for you. If it asks for update, go ahead, tap on the update, and then once it's done you can check it out again and it will appear. If it still does not appear, simply go ahead and reinstall the app as well. That's it for this video. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.